Assalamu alaikum, and hello everyone. Welcome back to Unique English Family. I'm so excited to have you here today. In this video, we're going to learn 10 daily use English sentences that every beginner should know. These are simple sentences you can use every day, at home, at school, or even when talking to friends. If you're just starting to speak English, don't worry. This video will make it super easy for you. We'll go step by step, I'll give you examples, and we'll practice together. By the end, you'll feel confident using these sentences in real life. So stay with me until the end, and let's start learning. Why these sentences matter. Before we jump into the sentences, let's talk about why they're important. As a beginner, you need simple sentences to start speaking English right away. These 10 sentences are ones you'll hear and use all the time, like asking for help, saying thank you, or talking about what you need. Learning them will help you feel more comfortable with English in your daily life. And don't worry if you're nervous. Everyone starts somewhere, and I'm here to guide you. Let's dive in. Now, I'll share the 10 daily use English sentences one by one. For each sentence, I'll explain when to use it and give you an example. Repeat after me in your mind or out loud to practice. Good morning. This is a simple greeting you can use every day. Say it when you see someone in the morning. Example: Good morning. How are you today? It's polite and friendly. Perfect to start your day. What is your name? Use this to ask someone their name when you meet them. Example: Hello, what is your name? My name is Ali. It's a great way to start a conversation. I am hungry. Say this when you feel hungry and want food. Example: I am hungry. Can we eat now? It's simple and tells people what you need. Thank you very much. This is how you say thanks when someone helps you. Example: You gave me water. Thank you very much. It shows you're polite and grateful. Can you help me? Use this when you need help with something. Example: I don't understand this. Can you help me? It's a very useful sentence for beginners. Where is the bathroom? Ask this when you need to find the bathroom. Example: Excuse me, where is the bathroom? You'll need this one a lot when you're out. Sentence 7. I don't understand. Say this if something is confusing or unclear. Example: You're speaking fast. I don't understand. It's okay to say this. It helps you learn. Sentence 8. How much is this? Use this when shopping to ask the price of something. Example: I like this shirt. How much is this? Perfect for markets or stores. Sentence 9. I like it. Say this when you enjoy something, like food or a movie. Example: This tea is good. I like it. It's short and easy to use. Sentence 10. See you later. This is a friendly way to say goodbye. Example: I have to go now. See you later. It's a nice way to end a chat. Let's quickly go over all 10 sentences together so you can hear them again. 1. Good morning. 2. What is your name? 3. I am hungry. 4. Thank you very much. 5. Can you help me? 6. Where is the bathroom? 7. I don't understand. 8. How much is this? 9. I like it. 10. See you later. These are so easy, right? Now, let's practice using them. I'll give you 30 seconds to think about how you can use these sentences in your life. For example, say good morning to your family tomorrow, or ask how much is this when you buy something. Pause for 30 seconds. Now pick 3 sentences from the list and say them out loud. I can't hear you, but you can. Try it. Maybe, thank you very much. Can you help me? And I like it. Pause for 15 seconds. Awesome! You're already speaking English like a pro. That's it for today's lesson. You've learned 10 daily use English sentences that will help you start speaking right away. Practice them every day with your friends, family, or even by yourself. The more you use them, the better you'll get. If you liked this video, please subscribe to Unique English Family and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next lesson. Next time, we'll learn something new to make your English even stronger. Leave a comment if you have questions or tell me which sentence you'll use first. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.